Sasuke with his snake, his summoned snake. So I know the snake has a name, but I can't remember. So let's go. Landscape page, use a pencil and eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So Sasuke's face is in 3/4 pose, right? So that means his head is slightly turned away. So one half of his face is smaller than the other. So we'll have one eye smaller than the other, okay? So let's go. Center point of my page is about here. Right, the halfway is along here. And this is where we're going to start with his larger eye, okay? So we go typical sort of Naruto kind of eye. Go diagonal, across, and then sort of hook it down. Now some of this eye goes underneath Sasuke's hair, so we can't see all of it. But we draw it in anyway, and we can erase it after. So thicken up the top eyelid line. Make it kind of a darker sort of line, just down here. Okay, and then the bottom eyelid line just comes across, kind of joins there. Or it doesn't join, you know, you can leave a gap. So his eyes are just black in this, so we go with just that black look. And they're quite big eyes. Right, like so, and we'll color them in black. And we'll leave a highlight. So we'll leave just like a section up here. We'll leave that white. Okay, so pretty big eyes. And then the eyebrow. So it just comes across here, goes underneath his hair. And gets quite thin as we go back. And then the eyelid lines kind of just come down that way. Right, so his other eye is behind his nose, right? So his nose, there's a nose line that just comes down this way. And then his nose kind of just sticks out here. And his nostril would be there. Okay, so the other eye, just here. So it goes up, like so, hooks down. We want to thicken it up a bit. His bottom eyelid line there. And his iris, real big, just here in the corner. And we'll color it black. You could do Rasengan in there if you wanted, but I'm just going to go with the black eyes with a white highlight. Okay, above that then, eyebrow goes that way. And you can thicken it up at the front. And then just an eyelid line here, maybe at the front as well. Like so. So his mouth then, just kind of below, starts below the nose, right? Kind of bumps down that way. Like so. And then his chin, this comes down here. And we just keep this going because we're in 3/4 pose, right? So we go out for the jaw on this side, but on this side it kind of curves around for his face, right? So we got like his cheek. Coming around here, and then out for his eyebrow. And just up towards his hair. It stops here because he's got a hair spike that comes down across his face. So, speaking of hair, so we've got like a hair spike that comes down. My page is moving. So let's see. So we've got like, so we go hair spike, say here. And then it goes down across the eye here. Real long, and then back up. Down again. Then up that way. And his hairline kind of comes across here. Like so, and then another hair spike down there. And then these two hair spikes up like so. We can just see a little bit of his ear sticking out from behind this hair to there. And some ear lines maybe. Right, so rest of his hair then, so we go all the way back, and he's got, it's this version of Sasuke where he's got those hair spikes that stick out the back of his head. So it goes like that way. There. And all down. It kind of gets smaller then a little bit as we go down here. And eventually they go behind his neck. Right, and his neck is like somewhere like here. And the front of his neck is like here somewhere. So back muscle there, and then his cloak kind of comes around it down like so. Front of it over here. Collarbone going that way, collarbone going that way. And then we've got like chest muscles there, like there somewhere. And then his scar, or not his scar, his curse mark that he has, those three sort of commas on his shoulder. And it's got like a circle around it. Like so. And then shoulder comes out here, arm goes down off the page, like so, and then some more sort of folding lines like that, and then shoulder on the other side just comes down that way. Like so. Right, and then snake, basically. So we can see the eye of the snake just sticking out from behind his head here. right? And it's kind of got this black section in around the eye. Right, and then the yellow part of the eye just comes around here. And then we got that snake eye there. Seems to be another line just coming around it, like so. So just down here, the nose, right, the front of it, sort of like bumps down like that. And the top of the head bumping all the way. And this will eventually become the body, of course, which will go all the way down to the ground. And then, so this line becomes like the mouth line as well. So it like opens up here, down, then around this way. So this is like the mouth there. So another sort of line inside. And then the chin. Down that way. So this is like the chin line there. And then we got some nostrils here. And then the underneath side of the body goes down that way. So then we have to break up the snake into all the scales, right? So like starting say here, just going around the nose. And you're just breaking it up. There's no real, you're just following around each section of the snake's scales. And then on down the body, right? So on the shapes on the body, so they kind of come down in a row. So we got like, okay, so say we'll start up here. So we'll just go that, right? And then we go off that way. And then, so we just keep going. These kind of shapes all the way down. So you're just trying to break it up as evenly as you can. I think that's the best I can do. Anyway, that is how to draw Sasuke with the snake. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.